Hello and welcome, it's Gillykube and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, coming to you with a pour over a canvas that I poured on last week. I didn't like it, so I scraped it off and then I washed it off out on the garden so I could reuse the canvas. So yes, you can reuse the canvas after it's been scraped and washed off, absolutely. So I have some of the global colours here that I'm going to do. I'm in test moding today. I'm just testing out different swiping things on this canvas. Oh my gosh, I couldn't even think what I was trying to explain then. This is my pre-made white and it has come out on the last pour I did quite thick, so I am just going to add my last little bit of floetrol that I have in this smaller container. Don't worry, I have got a good supply of floetrol there. And I'm going to add some water just to thin it down. It's been made up in this container maybe 3 weeks because I just use it as I go along, and then I can put the lid back on it, which is getting a bit yucky. So I should, after I've used this particular batch, I will give the bottle a real good rinse out and start again. But for now, it's nice to have a nice big bottle made up of white and black, or the colours that you use quite often. Definitely a nice thing to do, because then you've got it on hand and you don't have to mix it up. So I'm using this one dark sea colour that, I mean, I'm using lots of colours, but this is a new one that I just got from Global Paints. The link to the online supplier, Capriole Shabby Chic, is in the drop down box, and all the colours are on there from Global. They're Australian made paints, so happy to use them. And they are going to be available all over the world on Amazonia, and hopefully I'll be able to get this Amazon affiliate link that I've been given, but so computer illiterate I am that I've got yet to add it to the bottom of my description box. But never mind. Yeah, this is a lot thinner than I used previous, but this is what I wanted, so to be able to do this with the canvas, that I just can run it all over and not have to spread it out with a spatula or anything. So I'll give it a good coating. So I'm going to do, I know that you've seen me do it a million times, balloon kisses, balloon smashes as some people call them. It's a balloon kiss and smash, and I will give you the instructions as I go on balloon kissing and smashing, or smashing, whichever way you would like to describe it. I can see in this undercoat it's either got a trillion billion air bubbles because I've given it a good shake up, or they're little gooby things. So I'll work with it. I can work with odd. I've worked with many odd before in my life and time, so we'll go along with the odd. And I'll just grab my cloth and I'll give that a bit of I'll just put my heat wand over it to get rid of those air bubbles. Yeah, they're air bubbles, so goody. It's got rid of those. Don't stress too much if your sides of your canvas are not covered, because they are things that you can do at the end. I just wanted to do one little experiment just on white alone before I start this whole piece. This is just the Amsterdam black with, I just put a bit of floetrol in it, just mix, so I I don't know if it's 1 to 1 or 2 to 1 ratio. I just did it till it was that consistency. And I just want to see if just on white and nothing at all, because I can go back over this, just white, what it actually does. Let's see. You know, for the people that love monochrome. Oh, look, holy dooly. Oh, look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh, okay. People that love monochrome, hey, this might be the... Oh my goodness. Okay. We will stick with this because I have so many people say, Jill, I know you love colour, but could you please do like a monochrome one? And I think, oh, I'd rather just edit the movie to be black and white. But look at this. It kind of looks like the pause that Dwight Myers is doing, how he gets this crazy lacing, but you know, this is like the dummy's way because it's so blooming easy. Look at that. Holy smackaroony. That's just black and white. And you know what? I want to do more because it's... I wonder if I've got another colour mixed up with floetrol. Let me see. Oh, I've got yellow. That won't look so good, will it? What colour have I got there? Oh, this is turquoise. Did I try the turquoise in it? But you know, it's going to go off from the black and white monochrome, isn't it? Maybe I should take a photograph of the black and white monochrome, which I will do. Because anybody that wants a huge piece of art done in black and white monochrome, what a stunning effect with the most simplest, pimplest thing out. I'll just go with my, this is turquoise. It's the Amsterdam turquoise just with floetrol. So let's give this a little whirl. Oh yeah, it does it too. Look at that. That's just the turquoise. Stop, stop, stop. Jilly does minimalistic. Have you ever heard of it before? Never, never. But you know what? That is it. That is my piece today. I've got all these colours there. I will get another canvas because that is absolutely gorgeous. It is. I've got a huge canvas that somebody said black and white, black, grey and white, black, grey and silver. So I might show them this and say, what about this? It's very technical. And it'd take me a long time to do it. Nudge, nudge, wink, wink. Do you like this? And if they say absolutely wonderful, marvellous, like I reckon they will, then I'll tell them the truth and say, look, it was very simple. But please let me know what you think. I'll give you the close-ups right now. So take care, you lovely people. I'm excited again from something so simple that it's definitely not rocket science, is it? So let me know what you think, guys, but have a look at the close-ups first. So I will see you again tomorrow. So bye for now, my good people.